Okay, so what we're going to do now is look at a cash book question. Now, in the practice assessments and in the assessment itself, it may be that you don't get both sides of the cash book together. It is separated out. And in this case, what we have here is the debit side of the cash book. So as you know from your lessons, obviously the debit side is to record the money coming into the bank. So it says here there are 2 bank receipts and 1 cash receipt to be entered in Cooper Limited's cash book. So the bank receipts are from S Payne Limited for £840. So all we have to do is in the details here we put S Payne, and again you'll have to forgive the writing, okay, I-N-E, so that's all I'm going to do there, Limited, Ltd. And in our bank column we record the amount of money that has actually come into our bank account. So in this case it's £840. Now we don't have to record any VAT on this because it's coming in from our trade receivable, a credit customer. All they're doing is paying their bill. The VAT would have been sorted out when we put the sales invoice into the sales day book and recorded the VAT separately from the amount of sales. All we're doing now is recording the total amount of money they owed us and recording that coming in. So £840 goes into the trade receivables. Do not be tricked into trying to work out the VAT on this. Okay, this is where some students go wrong. Do not. The same with Broomfields. Again, Broomfields have paid us, so I'll try and write Broomfields in here. Okay, here we go, Broomfields, and we've received from them £394. Okay, very bad 9 there, but there we are, 394. And again, they're at credit customer. So all we do is put 394 in the trade receivables column. VAT, as I said before, was sorted out from the sales day book. Okay, and the final one, F Bridger, is a cash receipt. So this time alarm bells should start ringing. We have to work out the VAT, and the clue is in the question. It says including VAT. So if I write in here the details, it's from F Bridger. I should have tried typing this, but and then in the cash column this time we record the total amount of money that we have received. Okay, so in this case it's £312. But that is including VAT. So what we have to do is, if we remember, we use the VAT fraction. So the easiest thing to do in this case would just be divided by 6, which gives us £52. So we know £52 is the amount of VAT that we're collecting on behalf of HMRC, and that is a liability. And then in our cash sales we work out, obviously take the 52 off the 312. Here's one way of doing it, and that will give us £260. The only thing left to do then is to total the columns. So we have 521 plus our 312 gives us £832. 832. Don't forget to total the columns if you're asked to do that. You'll lose points. Our balance at the start of the day, we had £1,155 in the bank. We've gained another 840 plus our 394. Okay, gives us 2,389. 2,389. We know the VAT is 52. Our trade receivables is our 840 plus our 394, again, which is just 1,234. And in our cash sales, £260. The only thing left to do then, if we had to post these entries to the accounts, the VAT, the £52, okay, this is the debit side, so of the entry we would credit the VAT account from our cash sales. The trade receivables, we would credit our sales ledger control, and we would credit our cash sales. And that is it.